Oh shit. Yeah. Shit blowing out of it. Damn. Jesus, boy. It's coming all out the gun. Yo. Dang. Jesus, that shit loud. Trap out here looking beautiful. So here's the deal. Big change of plans, as you probably can tell by the title of this video. We are about to try to go pick up JDM engine for the CB7. Like, we need to leave like right now to get to JDM City before they close. They said they're gonna close at 2. They normally close at 3, but we'll be getting there about 2. So I told the guy just hold on and we'll be there as soon as we can. So yeah, let's get started.
You want this one medium or large?
Medium.
And what's your drink?
Let me get a tea with no ice.
Okay.
And then add a 10-piece McNugget.
Any sauce?
Barbecue.
This shit. This is a turn. Turn signal on now.
Damn.
Look like he turned to get on another road.
This is crazy. Damn. This
Fuck,
shit
it's
flooded.
flooding.
Look at the ice.
Oh my God.
Alrighty guys, so here is the heart for the CB7. And again, I know in the last video I was saying about rebuilding the F22, and I still think I'm gonna do the head gasket and stuff on it, but I'm just gonna end up selling that engine. A lot of you guys were commenting and saying put the F22 head onto an F23 block and stuff like that. So I just decided it'd be easier and cheaper for me to just grab this JDM F23A, low mileage and really cheap. The guys over at JDM City, Virginia, they really looked out on this, so I got a really good deal on it. As far as this plug goes, anybody that knows the F23s, they come with the weirdest distributor out of all the H and F motors, and it's actually got a plug made into the actual distributor. And good thing is JDM City actually gave me the pigtail to it, which is cool because I actually had none of these like on any of my wiring harnesses, so that's really good. Gonna need it because I'm just gonna hit my boys up over at Rywire and tell them exactly what I need, and they'll build me a harness that adapts to this plug back to my factory harness in the CB7, as well as it'll run across over here and hit this plug, which runs the crank position sensor. So as soon as I get that made, I will show it to you guys, but again, that's something that can definitely be done within the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the engine and stuff in this week while we wait on it, and once that comes in, I'll definitely show y'all how that plugs in. Again, if you can, I highly suggest you use Rywire. Now, a lot of the common connectors you can get off eBay, like the distributor harnesses like OBD2 to OBD1, 8-pin, 10-pin, stuff like that. You can buy those right off of eBay, but when it comes to this, like what I call like custom stuff that nobody does that much, I always email Rywire, and them guys, they always, like, if we have to send pictures and stuff, we always figure out exactly what we need, and it takes them literally a day, and they'll have your stuff right on out. So big shout out to Rywire. I'm not sponsored by them. I always pay regular full price, but just the fact that their customer service is awesome, guys. So that's why I always tell people go with them. I actually have it on the H2B as well, the Rywire harness for the distributor. But yeah, that's the main reason why I go with them guys. We'll get that figured out in no time, and I'll show you the exact solution when it comes in. And before I close this video out, I'm gonna try to get this off so I can see what header I need to order. That script, like I figured. Alright guys, so I got that cover off, and just like I thought, it's got the spaced out one, and then the two in the middle, and then the space between the last one. So now I know exactly which header to order. I'm gonna go ahead and jump online, get that on the way. We've already got the cat back on the way for the CB, and that should be essentially it. I'm gonna look at the clutch on that one. It feels pretty good, but I may go ahead and replace it while I got the whole thing tore down, but other than that, man, it should be pretty straightforward. Again, all the pigtails are there for the injectors. All we gotta do is wire those to the CB harness, and yeah, we should be good. May have to get a gas line made. I don't know. I think the CB one's on this side, so I may have to end up getting a gas line made. Anyway, guys, this is where I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Again, stay tuned. We're gonna start pulling this engine out this week, and hopefully have a choice of color for the engine bay as well. So make sure you smack that subscribe button and smack the like button for me. I will catch y'all in the next one. As always, remember, respect all bills. Peace out.